Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you. I've got the Frosted Frenzy by MAC. This is what it looks like. I'll just take the sleeve off. It is beautiful, really pretty. Excuse the ring light. It's all got like snowflakes. It's just so pretty. It retails for £170. It has a value of £485. There's 25 products inside, of which 21 are full size and 4 are travel sizes. This is my very first MAC advent calendar unboxing and I'm really excited. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, as always, you'll find it listed down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. I am uploading an advent calendar giveaway over on Instagram in the next week or so. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, you'll find a link down below. But yeah, let's get on to showing you then what's inside this advent calendar. How pretty! It's really pretty. It's got a massive snowflake right in the middle there. You can see that much clearer than the actual outer packaging. It's really pretty, isn't it? I like that. So you can see all the products are in these little boxes. Starting off with day number 1. I like that. You just pull it open. Okay. We've got a CStack mascara. I had this in a Look Fantastic advent calendar. And I have tried it a long time ago, but I haven't tried any products. Not really. I have tried a few things, especially from the Space NK advent calendar. Like the Tatcha Dewy Spray, which I'm wearing today. It's beautiful. But I tend to put all the beauty products all together and then I sort through them all then, like a week or so later. Once I've done all my mini unboxings for Instagram and photos and things like that, then it's all mine then to go through. I've got another one of these, but from memory of trying it before, I think I really liked it. I might have had it in a different advent calendar last year. Too much information, I can't think. So it is a full-size CStack mascara there. Day number 2 at the top. I do really like these pull-down little trays. We've got a lip gloss in shade Oh Baby. I think it says Oh Baby. Oh Berry. No, it's Oh Baby. Oh Baby. Okay, so it's a lip gloss. Look. You know my hand's going to be covered at the end of this video. That is really pretty. It's a really nice, like as a lip topper. A little bit of a shimmer there as well. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I like that. Day number 3 down here. If you're watching this, you're probably a MAC fan, or unless you just like watching my unboxings. But if you are a MAC fan, I'd love to hear what your hero product is, what your favourite. Mine is the Gold Lit Prep and Prime Spray. Oh, mind you, and the lipsticks. Lady Danger, Chili. I love that as well. That's my long time favourite. I do really like MAC, although I haven't tried a lot of their products. It just tends to be mainly their setting sprays and lipsticks that I've tried. We've got a Powder Kiss liquid lip colour here in shade Devoted to Chili. Okay. Oh, look. It looks like the Chili lipstick I love. So it's in liquid form. Oh, look, that is beautiful. I do really like that. Happy. I love a rusty red. I'm just happy. Day number 4. Where are we? Are we over here? Up here? So we've got a Prep and Prime. This is for your lips. I think I received this in one of MAC's either limited edition beauty boxes. They bring out them now and again and they have like a selection of their products, which are really great, or their mystery box. I can't remember, but it's a balm. It's like a little treatment balm, so you can prep your lips so they're nice and moisturised and hydrated before you apply your lipstick. Day number 5 down here. We've got a MAC lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. It's 15 mils here. But I'm not going to put it on my hand. As you can see, it's completely clear, but it'll be all goopy, so there's no point me actually putting it on my hand. This, I will be passing this on. I have had this again before, I think, in one of these limited editions where you've had a few different products. So I'll give that to my daughter. All right, day number 6 at the top here. If you get the MAC calendar every single year, please let me know how it compares to previous years. I'd love to know. And we have got here a Brush Black 24-hour liner. I've never had a eyeliner from MAC before. So this is the first time. It's black. Oh, it's a brush as well. I love a brush nib. You just got more control. You can get some really nice thin fine lines, or you can really thicken it up. Oh, I do love a brush. It's my favourite type of liner. So there you go. So you've got a black eyeliner. Day number 7 over here. And we've got a Colour Excess Sterling Silver, a gel pencil eyeliner. I like the sound of this. And it twists up like that. Yeah, I like that. I love a silver liner. Really great for creating like graphic liner looks. Or what I like to do as well is like with really small liners like this, I like to just add a little pop of colour underneath a black wing. Just underneath, just on the outer corners there. You're not going to see much, I've only done a little bit, but that's really pretty. Yeah, really nice, I like that. Something a little bit different. Day number 8 down here. Got a lipstick, and this is a retro matte lipstick in All Fired Up. What is this shade then? Oh wow, that is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. That is a fuchsia pink. Well, yeah, sort of. Let's see. Oh, that is so stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. I love bright colours like this. I like to do quite a very simple, very simple eye look. Maybe a tiny little wing, false eyelashes and quite a bare eye. And then a bright lip I think is really, really pretty. Yeah, I love that colour. Stunning. Day number 9 here. I can't see how to open it there. We've got a mirror. It's a very nice mirror. You can see my camera through there. See, it's silver with MAC written on there. There, there's the other side. A nice MAC mirror. Day number 10, behind here, got another lipstick. This is a retro matte lipstick in Runaway Hits. Okay, shade of you, I love, oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I've just unboxed an advent calendar that I'm going to put up for a giveaway, and it had the most gorgeous nude, and I was gutted because I can't keep it. I couldn't swatch it and I couldn't keep it, but it's very similar to that, like a pinky nude. Let's see what it's like. Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's almost like a coral. Yeah, like a warm pinky corally brown. Just called coral. I really like that. Definitely a shade I would wear. Day number 11 at the top. I think we've got an eyeshadow. Yes, we have got here Satin Taupe Frost eyeshadow. Ooh, let's open it up. I'll show you. You can see it properly there. I love that colour. Look. That is so nice. Right, let's start doing these shadows on my arms then, because I know there's a few in here. Oh, that's so beautiful. I'm obsessed with taupe colours. With cool, oh, it's like a gunmetal. Oh, look. That is so pretty. It's like a gunmetal, grey brown, bronze. That is beautiful. Yeah, I love it. Day number 12 down here. Oh, we've got a paint pot, have we? Yes, a long way. This is in Art Therapeuty. Oh, I love these. They do not budge off your eyelids. They're amazing primers, so really great. Nice and creamy, but they don't budge. So if you've got really greasy eyelids, these paint pots are amazing. They come in different shades as well. They're quite nice in the shades they are, just to blend outwards. That is a really pretty colour. A really pretty peach colour. Oh, I love that. I do love their paint pots. Just for their longevity. They just don't budge. They don't budge at all. And eyeshadows on top sit really nicely as well. Day number 13 here. Have I got another one? No, something different. Ooh, this is the new skincare range. Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. It's a moisturising cream. So this is one of the travel sizes. And there's 15 mils there. If any of you have tried any of the skincare range, please let me know what you think of it. Formulated with Pro 4 Power Infusion Matrix, Japanese peony extract, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and ceramides. It sounds amazing. And yeah, let's do this. Let's try a little bit on my hand. It's got a really nice scent. It's so nice. It feels really nice on my hand. I have had a few of the new products, little samples, smaller than this, but I'm not sure if I've had this moisturiser or not, but this is beautiful. Skin Canvas Balm. It feels so nice. Yeah, I like that. Day number 14 over here, and we have got a lip gloss, another lip gloss in shade Love Child. This is a pinky purpley tone. Well, it's purple, but it's got bits of gold in it. It's a gold shimmer. This is a beautiful shade as well. It's in my hand there. That is really pretty. I love that. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That came out a little bit more pinky than what I was expecting, which is nice. Okay, day number 15 up the top here. Is there any advent calendars that you'd like to see me unbox? I'm going to be unboxing the Harvey Nicks one tomorrow. Hopefully, if I get it. If I get it on time. I have ordered it. So if it comes early, then I'll try and film it and edit it and upload it the same day. But I'm really excited about that one. But yeah, is there any other advent calendars that you think, oh Claire, please can you unbox that? I'd love to hear. So yeah, make sure you comment down below. So we've got, I've taken the lid off already. This is a lip pencil in Soar. There. I'll just do a few little lines here. Oh, I'm really excited about this advent calendar. The fact that I've got all MAC products. I can't wait now until after I finish doing all my advent calendar unboxings and then going through it all and then just setting up all my new stuff. It's exciting. It is really exciting. I love that colour. I'm talking too much now, I'm aware. But yeah, I really like that colour. That is really pretty. Day number 16 over here. Wow, a nice shiny MAC lipstick. This is Sea Sheer Luster Glass lipstick. I think so. There's some writing over the top of it. But it's a nice shiny one. Has it got shimmer in it? I don't know. I love the colour. See, the colour is beautiful, isn't it? Ooh, sheer glass. It is really nice. It's like a hint of a tint. Very sheer. So it would give a gorgeous sort of flush to the lips. That is really pretty. Enough of a colour, but just nice juicy lips, I'd imagine anyway, because I haven't tried this before. No one like that. Day number 17 up here. And I've got, I don't know what it is. Oh, why is the writing so small? This is Spice World. It's a lipstick, but it doesn't give me any information about it. Ooh, is it a cream contour or is it a lipstick? No, I'm sure it's a lipstick. See that's the colour there. It's a little bit too dark for me. Spice World Velvet Slim Stick. That's all the information I've got. Day number 18 over here. We've got another eyeshadow. This is Brun or Brune, a satin eyeshadow. I'll just open up, show you. Oh, that looks really nice as well. A nice deep brown. Rich, dark, sort of cool brown. I love this. Yeah. Yeah, my shade. Absolutely love that. That is really nice. I'm obsessed with cool toned nudes, naturals, browns, beiges, taupes, mushrooms, lilacs, things like that. Cool toned eyeshadow. It's just so pretty. I love it, especially for like a really grungy, smoky eye look. And so far those two shades are beautiful. I really like them. Day number 19 up here. Ooh, we've got a Hyper Real skincare. This is Serumizer Skin Balancing Hydration Serum. There's 4 mils here. It's formulated with Pro 4 Power Infusion Matrix. Again, I don't know what that is. Japanese peony extracts, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and ceramide. Exactly the same as the moisturizer. It's a skin serum. Maybe we'll see more skincare in next year's advent calendar. There. I'm smelling it again. It's got a gorgeous scent to it. It's so lovely. Yeah, it feels so nice. Feels like a really nice blurring primer. That's what it feels like. My hand here just feels so soft with the moisturiser and the serum on there. Day number 20 down here. And we've got one of these sheer lipsticks again, I'm assuming, because we've got a shiny lipstick. This is in syrup. It's a Luster Glass lipstick. I can see the writing more clearly now. So a Luster Glass lipstick. Gorgeous rosy colour. Let's put that next to that one there. So that one's there. That was the other one. I prefer that one, but that one's still pretty. It's a really nice shade. Yeah, I bet they feel amazing on the lips. Day number 21 down here. I've got a lip pencil. This is in shade Whirl. So that you can see the shades there. So it would go with a lot of these shades that I've already tested on my hand. What a mess. Do other YouTubers do that, or do they do it all nice and neatly, wash it off in between and reapply? I don't know. I'm just me being me, innit? Just slapdash. But yeah, It's a nice colour. I like that. Day number 22 here. And we've got another colour excess. This is Ritzed and Blitzed Gel Pencil Eyeliner. Oh, this looks like it's going to be like a goldy one. So we had silver last time, didn't we? Yeah, look, so you can twist it up like that. Oh, I really like this. Right, we're going to try that. It's a really pretty rose gold. Can you see clearly there? I'm not too sure. Let's try next to the eyeshadows, because it's only a fine pencil. There, can you see there? Next to the eyeshadow. I really like that. I love the fact that we've got that and the silver one in the box as well. Day number 23. I've got a lipstick. This is a Powder Kiss lipstick in Teddy. I'm sure I've already got this one. It's a really pretty nude. You can see on my arm there. It is a really gorgeous colour, isn't it? Yeah, I'm sure I've already got that, or I've had it years ago. Day 24. I thought it was a 25-day advent calendar, but I can't find 25 anywhere. I've had a look a few times and I can't see it. No. Day 24, and we've got another eyeshadow. And we have got my Tweedy. It's a Power Kiss Soft Matte eyeshadow. Woo. You see the reflection. So beautiful. So the 3 shades that we've been given complement each other really, really nicely. So you can create a nice, easy look with them. See, they're beautiful, aren't they? Really pretty. I really do like them. I think they're beautiful, beautiful shades. I love MAC eyeshadows. They are amazing. It's a 24-day advent calendar. And there you go. Those are all the products. Beautiful advent calendar. I love the little snowflake in the middle there. It is so, so pretty. Ah, you can see a little bit of the design. Besides the lip gloss, everything else I'm keeping. Look at my hands. Look at my hand. Yeah, I think that's really, really nice. We've got a good mix of lipsticks. We've got a lot of lipsticks. If you love your MAC lipsticks, then yeah, you probably would love this advent calendar. It is on the pricey side, £170. You know, it's not cheap, but if you are a big fan of MAC, then I think this is a really nice treat. This is my very first one, so I am really excited about it. I love the paint pots. I'm obsessed with the paint pots, so I'm really happy that I got another one. The eyeshadows are beautiful. The lipstick shades are all shades that I would wear as well. But yeah, the lip gloss is the only thing that I would give away, only because I've already got it. Plus, I don't tend to use lip gloss a lot anyway. I love lip oils, lip treatments and things, but lip glosses I just find a bit gloopy for everyday wear. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to get one for yourself, or are you thinking, nah, not for me this year? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video, which should be the Harvey Nichols Advent Calendar full unboxing. So I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.